Okay. So today we will be starting with our new topic of elasticity of demand. Right? Yesterday we had a discussion regarding individual demand and market demand. When we study as a whole unit or part of demand, that is market demand. When we study the demand of any individual, right, based on individual income and individual output, this is individual demand, right? So today we are going to start with elasticity of demand. See, there are three segregations into it. That is price elasticity of demand. When there is a change in price, there is change in demand, right? That is called price elasticity of demand. जब price और demand inverse या same relationship में आते हैं, that thing. नेक्स्ट इज इनकम इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. जब प्राइस में कोई चेंज नहीं है लेकिन हमारी इनकम में चेंज आ जाता है एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग जब हम डिमांड चेंज करते हैं, दैट इज इनकम इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. नेक्स्ट इज क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. व्हेन देयर इज इंक्रीज इन प्राइस, इंक्रीज इन इनकम. व्हेन देयर इज डिक्रीज इन प्राइस, डिक्रीज इन इनकम. So there is cross elasticity of demand, right? Got it, beta? Yes. See, now we are going to see the degree of price elasticity. When there is perfect inelastic demand, it is always zero. When there is perfect inelastic demand, it is always zero. Okay? When there is unit elastic demand, जब एक एक यूनिट की इंडिविजुअल यूनिट की डिमांड है उसमें चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, then ED, that is elasticity of demand, is equal to 1. Right? Yes, students. When there is inelastic demand, that means ED. That is elastic demand. Elastic demand is less than 1. Okay. When there is elastic demand, proper elastic demand hai, तो ED will be greater than 1. Please note it down, all these four assumptions. When there is price inelastic demand, ED is equal to 0. When there is unit elastic demand, ED is equal to 1. When there is inelastic demand, ED is less than 1. When there is elastic demand, ED is greater than 1. Yes? See, the situation of perfect inelastic demand is given to you. Yes, Yashvi, what is perfect inelastic demand? When there is a situation of perfect inelastic demand, ED is equal to. Okay, very good. ED is equal to 0. Perfect. See beta. Now you can see here in a picture when price and quantity are being considered and demand curve is there. देखो बिल्कुल straight है वो curve. Right? Because ED is 0 when there is perfectly inelastic situation. Yes, and senior. When there is inelastic demand, you can see that in picture. When there is inelastic demand, yes, Mehak, what was the situation of ED when there is inelastic demand? See, when there is perfectly inelastic demand, ED is equal to 0. Now you can see that in graph as well. Okay? When it is perfectly inelastic demand, ED is equal to 0. When there is inelastic demand, ED is less than 1. Right? When there is perfectly elastic demand, ED is greater than 1. When there is perfectly elastic, ED is equal to 1. Clear? Is that clear, beta, all these 4 points now? Unit elastic demand is equal to 1. Yeah, yes. Good, good. Any questions, beta, now? Any doubt? Because by this we complete our chapter today. So if any question or any point you want to ask, anything you want to discuss, you can come up with. Yes.